We are here for doing pterygoid and zygomatic implants.
And so far it's been a great experience.
Absolutely great time.
2 days we have placed 6 zygomatics, and we have another day tomorrow we're gonna place pterygoid.
My experience has been nothing but phenomenal. I've been able to do everything I wanted to do in dentistry as far as surgery, pterygoids, zygos, traditional all-on necks. You got it, they have it here.
And it's been great so far. Everyone here is very helpful, friendly, and we are learning a lot.
There were a bunch of zygomatic procedures today, kind of complications, and we are reverting it. I guess that the students today enjoyed a lot the course. It was really nice.
I think this is the best course for dental implants if you are doing allonecks.
For anyone looking to learn remote anchorage, I would highly recommend this course.
This is a top-notch place to be.